Hey folks, follow along with us today as we start putting our subfloor on our second floor. Right here we are screwing the subfloor down. We went with drymax on here from Menards. We also are using a glue on underneath that as well too on each of the floor joists. We did chalk a line across there, that way we stay straight on that first row. And then we also chalked a line on each of the other rows as we started going down here as well too, because we wanted to make sure that we didn't put any extra glue on there, so that way we knew our glue lines at.
Well, I don't know if you can hear the rain outside or not, but we're in here working. We're putting the plywood on. We've already got a few of these sheets on already here. We're screwing it off. We're going to just do the edges right now, and then we're going to come back and screw the rest of it later. But what we're doing here is we're using the caulk gun, and we're caulking some liquid nails on there to glue that down to the floor. What we're first doing is putting our chalk line on there. That way we know where our 4-foot level's at. That way when we're putting the tube of caulk on there, that we're not going too far. And then we're using our board to hammer it in. Hopefully you guys can see that here in the video that we're putting it together. I appreciate you following along. Make sure you like, subscribe as well too. Thanks a lot. Okay, you got your length that you need? Yeah. Okay. I'm pulling tight. You good? Yeah. Hey, watch me. You don't have to overdo it. Look, right here, and let it come. Go ahead. There you go. Good job. Just make sure that when you do that, you want to go straight up. You don't have to overpull. A lot of times. Once you fix that screw for me, try and keep this stuff out of the glue.
We ran all the sheets long on this section right here, and then we just came back and cut it all off, make it easy on the cut saw. Right here, you're just going to keep on working, getting all these sections on. We're moving closer to the front of the house. We weren't able to get everything done tonight. We wanted to make sure we end on the end of a caulking tube. That way, the glue tube, that way we wouldn't open up a new one. So we just kept on working here. We got a few more sheets to go. We probably have about 4 more rows left on there. As you can see, it's pretty dark outside. It's been a long day. It's been out here for almost all day. We took a break to go to lunch, and then we came back out here and finished off. We're going to have to make another run to Menards to get some more supplies.
Hey folks, we're out here at the build. We got most of the plywood done here on the second floor. We got just a little bit more, but it is like almost 8:30 tonight, sorry. And so we're going to go and go home, grab some supper, and go to bed. I appreciate you guys following along. Tomorrow we're going to be back out here tomorrow afternoon. We'll finish out the rest of this plywood. We're going to probably get some more screws, and then we'll be able to finish out. I appreciate you guys following along again, like I said. Until next time, God bless you all.